Hey guys, Mason here at MarineMax Houston. We're over here on a 275 Grady White Freedom 2026. We're gonna start here at the stern and we're gonna work our way to the bow. First, you got one fishing well, and then you're gonna have another live well here. And this seat's actually gonna fold right up into the wall. That way you could have more room for fishing. We're gonna weigh more towards the helm. You're gonna have your sink here, as long as more drawers for storage. And then working our way over here, if you look at this seat right here, this bed right here is perfect for relaxing, entertaining, and cruising out on the lake. Alrighty guys, sometimes it's pretty hard to find where to put your trash on the boat, so Grady White came up with a perfect little cubby. Up here at the helm, we're gonna have a Yamaha control center, as well as we can outfit whatever technology package you desire. You're gonna have an adjustable steering wheel, Fusion audio control center, gonna come equipped with a joystick, as well as you're gonna have a charging port here. For all my friends who need to adjust the seat, Grady's got you covered. Here you're gonna find all your fun stuff, like your live wells, your lights, your windlass control, as well as your... Working our way over to the head, you're gonna have your own audio control center here. Moving into the head, you're having an electronic flush toilet, lights, toilet paper holder, and a cleat to hang on for when things get bumpy. Working our way under the helm, you're gonna have plenty of storage in here, as well as access to your wiring and fuses. Whether you wanna lock yourself in or shut people out, Grady White gets it done. Alrighty guys, moving towards the bow, you're gonna have your spacious tanning pad, as well as on the bow, you're gonna have your access to your up and down for your windlass and your anchor locker. Moving back to the stern, this is where you're gonna find your battery switches. You're also going to find your electric extending shade to cover the rest of the boat. Back to the stern of the boat, you're going to have your access to fresh water, as well as your retractable step-down ladder. If you want to see yourself at the helm of this boat or any other boats in our inventory, come down to MarineMax Houston and ask for Mason.